Good morning, my lovers. I'm back out with the gang and we're going to find some treasure today, I'm sure of it. Aren't we, gang?
Yeah, we definitely are.
Woo! Cheers! Oh, we got a lovely signal down here. Oh, looks like silver. Oh, I don't think it's silver. It's a thing. Huh. Is that a great big ring? Looks like a... I don't know. Oh, I can see something. Hold on, let's give it a rub on the magic trousers. I got to hold the camera because it's raining. Yeah, it looks like some sort of a grip. Want focus? See the grip? So that might be a thread on. No, there's no thread on the inside. So looks like it was silver plated at some point. Right, whatever that was. On to the next. Oh, we got something down here. Nothing on the screen. Oh, I think the GPX has found its first relic. Oh, it's relic. It's a thing. It's a bit pointy, whatever it is. Right, I'll get this cleaned up and I'll get back to you. Oh, there it is. And it looks like it had something on it. See that scar in there, look? Goes round and then it goes back up. So it looks like something was attached to it there. But I don't know what that is. Could be the end of a dagger, I suppose, but it's a bit pointy if it is. And it looks like it had been silver plated at some point. Right, lovely jubbly. First relic of the day. Oh, what banging signal I got here. Banging. Oh, it's in here. Sweet signal. Sweet. Right. Must be pinpointer. It's over here. Just put that down a second. Oh, there she blows! I got a coin! I got a coin. Looks like King George. Yeah, King George the III. Lovely jubbly. I'll get this cleaned up and I'll get back to you. Oh, there he is, King George the III. Yeah. There's Britannia on the back. Lovely jubbly. 1806 or 1807, one of them two. Can I see a date on there? No. It'll be there somewhere. Right, lovely jubbly. Oh, I got something nice here. Ooh, don't know. Oh, that pesky Matty's come up behind me. I hope it's scattered hoard. It's down here. Got to hurry up, my hole's filling up with water fast. Pinpointer, that might help. Oh. Squelch. It's out. Is it in my hand? It is. So ring us, pull us.
Oh, what do you think this is then, Cleggy?
Ah. Ooh.
That was in the old right behind you, mate.
That's a toy, that's a wheel off a toy, I should think. Yeah, I think that's a wheel off a toy. Or something else along those lines. What do you think then, my lovers? You think that's a toy wheel? I think it might be. Right, lovely jubbly. On to the next. Oh, I think he's found something. What have you found?
My first hammy.
He's got his first hammy. Expert tuition from Cleggy, I no doubt.
At last. Look at that. Look at that.
Ooh.
Oh. I don't want to rub it too hard. Oh, shake it.
Oh, your first hammer.
Hammer coin.
Oh,
Ooh,
wicked.
looks like an Elizabeth.
Wow.
Can I see it? Oh yeah, I can see the Queen. It's just about. Right. Better get this cleaned up and we'll get back to you. Woohoo! With the good work.
Give
What's
it a little
cold?
spray up. Yeah, give it a little rubbing. Oh wow.
Wow.
It's in mint condition, look.
Look at that.
Mint.
Spray it again, babe.
Unclipped. 1580 something I can see.
1583.
3.
Yeah. Oh wow, look at that. It's wicked.
Wow.
Cheers, Cleggy.
Never seen. On his land again?
Yeah, on his left.
Oh yeah, they're digging all the coins up on my land.
Oh yeah, people wanted to see see how I was getting on with the your
Oh,
old
yeah.
friend,
Oh, look
Cleggy.
at her.
Oh yeah, the other coin he found, he's cleaned it a bit.
Yeah. People have been asking to see it. See how I'm getting on with it.
If you can find it in
Pull it
there.
off, please. Pull it off, please. Just pull it off at the roof.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Right.
Yeah, there she is.
Ooh, look at that.
Still looking a little bit dirty, but the other side's worse there. But you can still see his face and everything on the other side now.
Come on, pesky camera focus. Oh, there we go. It's coming off slowly.
Yeah.
Not bad condition underneath
No.
it.
Still got a bit of cack on that side, but I'm getting there slowly.
Yeah, well, don't force it.
No, I won't. No, I'm just brushing it really gently every night. Bit of lemon juice and bicarb. There you go.
Lovely,
Put them both together.
Wow. He's doing very well on my field, isn't
Yeah.
he?
Thanks very much, Cleggy.
Yeah. And that it's good condition. That's not clipped too much. Yeah, lovely jubbly. Right, let's see if we can find some more.
Yeah.
Oh, right. So this is where he just found a hammered coin and we got some more signals nearby. I got one there, I marked it with my heel. Another one here. And another one over here somewhere. So all in a row. So as the noble person, we've been galloping along on his horse, the coins were dropping out at intervals. That's what we hope. So we might have some more hammered coins. So get your knocks out and let's see what they are.
Mm. Mm.
Mm.
It's getting a little squeak all the way around. Here, is it?
No, we're trying the next one just in case.
Yeah.
That one. Where is it? There it is.
Here. Ah.
Ah.
Sweet. Whoa.
Oh! Oh!
Man.
Right, so this could be another hammy. We could have a hoard of hammered coins right here.
Here's hoping.
Preferably not a moo tube.
Yeah. Let's hope not. Had a few of those today. Oh, big plug.
Good big one.
Can't see anything in there.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. It's in the plug. Oh, it's surprising with the size of
Sounds sweet.
This might take some finding, mate. Let's chop it up a bit, I think.
Chop it up.
Chop it up, gently, gently. What do you reckon, Cleggy?
Yeah. You might get there eventually.
Yeah.
What a mess of that plug.
Size of that plug. Oh no.
Right, we'll get back to you
Yeah.
when we eventually find it,
Yeah.
methinks.
There.
Tiny.
It's in there.
Is it?
No.
No. No. What the hell?
Yeah, right there.
Whatever it is. You can microscope it. Still in there?
No.
You see it anywhere, Cleggy? Oh,
There it is. Yeah, that's it.
What's that?
What is that?
What's that? What is that?
It's got a bit of green about it, hasn't it?
It's green. I don't think it's a hammy.
No.
It's got a hole in it. It might be old. Oh, it's got
Ooh,
like a little
got a
tie
pattern on
type
it.
thing. A little tie. Might have a bit of decoration on it, actually.
Yeah.
It could be contemporary with the coins. Could be. It's got a little hole that they used to have like these little rivets, didn't they?
Okay, yeah.
So that could be contemporary, whatever that is.
Interesting.
Right, let's go for the next signal. Right, here's the next one.
Where is it?
There.
Oh, here. 13.
Oh, that's it. It's a bit of cack.
Oh.
We wanted a hoard of hammered coins.
Oh, well, I'm happy with one.
Yeah, I think it's just... I'll clean it up, but I think it's just a bit of cack. Oh well, on to the next. Oh, I got that signal that Matt thought was shite. And I'm going to dig it instead. So cross your fingers and toes that it turns out to be a huge hammered coin. It's possible. Right, let's see what it is. Oh, here it is. Oh, sounds a lot better now, Matt. It's sounding really nice. Right. Oh, won't he be gutted if it turns out to be a hammy? Oh. Oh, right in the middle of the hole. Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, you lucky bugger. It's a pesky button. Ah, pesky button, look. Could have easily have been a hammy though. Could have easily have been. Ah, you lucky bugger. On to the next. Oh, I got a banging signal here. Oh, it could be a hoard. Oh, Hofmeister. Follow the bear. Lager. Beer, as you would say in America. But we would say lager. Oh, Matt's found something else. He's on a roll.
Weird one. I think it's a George, but...
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's a George. Oh, is it? Yeah, it's George. George the 5th.
Oh.
Halfpenny.
A little bit crusty.
What's the date? I can see a 5. That's about it. See a date on there? It's not focusing very well. It's dark. See, it's a bit murky today. Been raining. I had to put the GPX away. Don't like the rain.
Yeah.
Lovely jubbly.
Thank you very much.
Ooh, sounds really nice. Oh, thank God I got it out. My old filling with water fast. But it's a thing. It's a good big lumpo. Ugh, so we can wash it in this puddle without getting too wet. Oh, it's got a big lump of something. Oh, it's got a gap there. Oh, it's a hinge. I'm becoming unhinged. Oh, that was a banging signal. Banging. Plucking hammies out of my field, left, right and centre.
Got a cross on it.
Ooh, got a cross on it.
Yes.
Oh, that's a lead token, before, you know, back in the days before money.
Okay.
Well, it says peasants' money. Yeah, it's a little lead token.
Cool.
So it's like a lead hammy.
Alright. Doing alright on the old stuff today, aren't I?
Yeah. He's killing it. Oh, lovely jubbly.
Nice. Thank you very much.
Oh, all I seem to be finding today is cack. And this guy's on a roll.
Looks a little bit old. Has a little old buckle.
Yeah, that's quite an old buckle. I don't know, 400 or 500 years probably.
Blimey. I'm on a roll at the moment.
He's on a roll. Ugh.
Ugh.
Pesky newbies.
You love it.
Oh, this was a banging signal, and I thought it was going to be a bit cack, but I think it might be a crotal bell. It might. It might be a bit of a crotal bell. I'm sure it's whole. Oh, it's not a crotal bell. It's a bull knob, ox knob. Right, on to the next.
Do you want to see the next
Oh,
one?
Matt's just found this thing. It's got a little thing there for pushing down with your thumb or something. Maybe a hinge off a tankard. There's the pivot, look. Maybe off a tankard or something, like a lid. It's got decoration there, look. Oh, focusing. There we go. Yeah, it could be off a gun. Probably a trigger mechanism for a flintlock rifle. Could be anything. Lovely jubbly. That's it, me lovers. We're going to head off home. Cheers!
Cheers!